Hi everyone, in front of me I've got T-Phone 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to find the security section. So let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down to find encryption and credentials. Let's enter, and as you can see, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got clear credentials option. So let's tap. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, here we've got another evidence. We cannot tap on this option. And be aware that after that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.